Listen, if you need money right now, if you want money today, like literally today, if you need money, this video is gonna get you money. Just like I'm saying it. Just like that. No strings attached. This is not a scam, because even I did it for myself and I was surprised that it actually works. Okay. If you don't want money, click off. If you like being broke, don't watch. We don't need your negative energy in the comment section. This is only for people who need money, and this is gonna work. Okay. I don't know if y'all heard about Chime, but ever since I heard about Chime, I have never stopped using it because it's legit, man. It's a legit. It's a lot of scams out there, man. PayPal, I don't like PayPal no more like that. I definitely don't like Cash App. That's scams. Like, I don't like these other third-party apps that's trying to, like, you transfer money to. I don't trust none of them. But I have to say, folks, this is the new wave right here. This is the best damn thing you can use. It literally does what it say it's gonna do. It gets you money into your account. Sometimes I'll be using my Chime account, and I'll be looking at my account, man. I be having money in there like that I didn't even put in there, bro. Like, and not only that, they'll let you use your Chime account even if you in the deficit. If your account like negative $20, man, they'll still let you use it, man. It's crazy. I can't make this up. It's not no strings attached, folks. Just do what I'm about to tell you to do. You're gonna have $1,500 in your account after this video, because even I did it. Okay. This morning I woke up, I had money in my account, man. I knew it came from this, but I had more money in my account. I had money in my account yesterday because I did this. Then this morning when I woke up, I had like $500 more in my account because I did this. And I went and bought me some all my groceries off Uber Eats. I ain't even drive my car to go get the groceries. I had somebody deliver all my stuff to me because I got free money by doing this. This is what you got to do. Listen closely. It's very simple. A 2-year-old can do it. Okay. Download Chime. It's free, y'all. Download it for free. Okay. Chime is trying to take everybody out of business. So they giving away money if you do this. They trying to take everybody out of business. Download it for free off your phone, on your phone, like on Play Store or Apple Store, right? It's free. It's free. Once you download it, they're going to tell you, you're going to get $100, okay? You're going to get $100 legit dollars. It's going to come straight in your Chime account. But what you got to do is they're going to tell you to transfer some money from another bank account into your new Chime account. So just basically so you can activate it. Okay, they just want to see you activate it, all right? Nobody's taking your money. That's your money. It's going to be $200 in your account. You put your money in there, they're going to give you free $100, okay? So it's your money, okay? It's going to be your card. You can order a card from a free on Chime. They'll send you a free card, or you can use your phone, your app, okay? It's just your money. It's your money. It's nobody's money. There's no strings attached. Now, this is where I make all the money at last time I did it. This is how I made so much money quick. They got a promotion going on right now up until May the 27th, okay? I don't know what date you're watching this video, but if you're watching this video before May the 27th, they giving away $300 per person that you refer to Chime. So what you got to do, and what I did was I just click everybody in my phone contact and I sent them the link because they got it set up like that in the app. You just send them link, $300 per person, bro. I woke up, I had $1,500 in my Chime account when I did this. You can send it to everybody in your contact list. They're going to give you $300 per legit. I wish I could show y'all my account right now, but I can't because I'm using my phone to make this video. But I wish I can like just show y'all my phone right now because I ain't lying, okay? They send it to you. They don't ask no questions. If somebody sign up using your link, and they get Chime, they sign up Chime for free. It's free. They're going to send you money. It's just that simple, folks. I ain't got nothing else to say. That's why they killing everybody. They winning. They beating out PayPal. They beating out Zelle. They beating out all these other third parties. They beating out SKOOL. They beating out Wise. They beating everybody. Okay, the only thing that they require you to do is send $100 from your bank account to your new Chime free account. Okay, and then you got to be a U.S. citizen, I think. They might let some countries do it. I think you have to be a U.S. citizen and you have to have a phone number tied to your Chime account that has not been blocked by Chime. That's it. That's only terms that apply. It's so freaking easy, bro. Thank me later. Because you're going to eat your steak dinner tonight with potatoes, bro. Because of me. Because I'm telling you, I'm putting you on this game. All right? If you still don't get it, I don't know how that was the basic to explain it. Download Chime. It's for free. They're going to ask you to put $100 into your account. It's going to be still your money. They're going to give you $100 for having Chime for free. And then you can just sit in your bed like I did and just send everybody in your contact list, even if you don't talk to them. I guarantee you, tomorrow when you wake up, if not today, tomorrow when you wake up, it's going to be money in your account because some people actually going to click that link. Now, if you send that Chime link to like, let's say you send it to like 100 people in your phone contact list, I guarantee you at least 4 of them going to sign up and get on Chime because it's free. That's what I did. That's what I did. Okay, I sent it to like 300 people yesterday. I look back at my account, at least 5 of them signed up. I don't even talk to these people in my contact list, but they signed up using Chime. Free money, man. Thank me later, man. Thank me later. If you don't want no money, don't do it. If you need money now, do it right now. Thank me later. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and come back to this video and comment below and let people know how you got your free money and your steak dinner tonight. All right, man. Sign up right now using my link. You have to use my link. If you go in and try to download Chime, they not gonna give you the promotion for the $300. Only I got the $300 link. You feel me? So you gotta use my link to get on the $300 promotion. Okay. If not, you just gonna get $100. But you want $300, you gotta use my link because they doing like the little dominoes effect, like the little snowball effect. Where he got it, she got it. So you got to use my link. It's in the comment section below. It's in the description section. Thank me later, man, when you got you a nice steak dinner. It's your big bro TREN. I put you on game. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.